Hi sewing friends, I'm Daisy and I'm this month's guest sewist, and I don't know about you guys, but I'm looking forward to a good surprise this month. So let's see what we've got. Living life a little risque here, but I've got thin scissors. Let's see. This is pretty. I would guess this. It's like a true pumpkin color. It's so pretty. Pumpkin, copper, bronze pumpkin. So probably a little bit darker than what it's showing up. And I think maybe it's a DBP, double brush polyester. Let's see. All right. I've already got some ideas for this. Oh, that's got great drape to it too. I'm not going to tell you because now the next surprise is seeing what I make of it.